Let's do Brahmanad. Om. Om. Santi. 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 Swasta. Dear student, now I will discuss about the group 15 element. Group 15 elements are also called nitrogen family. The elements present in group 15 are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, strontium, bismuth. These elements are present in group 15. These are called nitrogen family element. Next, I will explain about the occurrence of group 15 element. First element is nitrogen, chili, salt, bitter. Another is your Indian salt, bitter. Sodium nitrate is called chili, salt, bitter. Potassium nitrate is called Indian salt, bitter. Next element is phosphorus. Phosphorus element are generally found in fluoroapatite, hydroxyapatite. The fluoroapatite having composition Ca9PO4 6.CaF2. The chloroapatite having formula Ca9PO4 6.CaCl2. The hydroxyapatite having composition Ca9PO4 6.CaOH twice. These three are called apatite family, having general formula Ca9PO4 6.CaX2, where X equal to fluorine, chlorine and OH. If X is equal to fluorine, then we generally think about the fluoroapatite. If X is equal to chlorine, then we generally think about the chloroapatite. If X is equal to OH, then generally we think about the hydroxyapatite. Next element is your arsenic. The arsenic generally found in arsenical pyrite, having composition FeSS. Next element is your strontium. The strontium generally found in stibnite, having composition Sb3H2. Next is your bismuth. Bismuth generally found in bismuth glands, having formula Bi3H2. Arsenic generally found in arsenical pyrite, having formula FeSS. Strontium generally found in stibnite, having formula Sb3H2. Bismuth generally found in bismuth glands, having formula Bi3H2. Next I will explain about the trends in properties of group 15 element. At first, I will discuss about the trend in physical properties. In physical property, at first I will discuss about the electronic configuration. The general outermost electronic configuration of group 15 element is NH2 NP3. For nitrogen, the electronic configuration is helium 2 nitrogen having atomic number 7. So its electronic configuration is helium 2 2s2 2p3. Next is your phosphorus having atomic number 15 and the electronic configuration of phosphorus is neon 10 3s2 3p3. Next element is arsenic. The electronic configuration of arsenic is argon 18 3d10 4s2 4p3. Next element is stibbium. The stibbium element having atomic number 51 and the electronic configuration is krypton 36 40 10 5s2 5p3. The arsenic element having electronic configuration is your argon 18 3d10 4s2 4p3 and its atomic number is 33. On the other hand, the stibbium element having atomic number 51 and its electronic configuration is krypton 36 4010 5s2 5p3. Next element is your bismuth. The bismuth element having atomic number 83. Its electronic configuration is xenon 54 30 10 4f 14 6s2 6p3. These are the electronic configuration of group 15 element. Look at that. In all case, the electronic configuration of outermost cell must obey this general formula. In case of nitrogen, N is equal to 2, so we can write 2s2 2p3. In case of phosphorus, N is equal to 3, so we can write 3s2 3p3. Like that, we can also think about 4s2 4p3, 5s2 5p3. Next is your 6s2 6p3. Next I will explain about the atomic and ionic radii. The atomic and ionic radii of group 15 element goes on increases from top to bottom. This is due to addition of new cell. On the other hand, the atomic and ionic radii of group 15 element is smaller than the corresponding element of group 14. Next physical property is ionization energy. The ionization energy of group 15 element goes on decreases from top to bottom. This is due to increasing the atomic size and screening effect. On the other hand, the ionization energy of group 15 element is more than the corresponding element of group 14. This is due to smaller atomic size of group 15 as compared to the atomic size of corresponding element group 14. The high ionization energy of group 15 element is also due to extra stability. If I want to draw the electronic configuration of group 15 element, then it maintains half field. That means the p orbital maintain half field. Due to half field electronic configuration, the group 15 element attain extra stability. We know that more is the stability, more is the ionization energy. That's why group 15 element having high ionization energy as compared to the corresponding element of group 14. Next physical property is electron negativity. The electronegativity of group 15 element is higher than the corresponding element of group 14. The electronegativity goes on decreases from top to bottom. Next physical property is physical state. Nitrogen exists as diatomic state and it is a gas, but other elements of group 15 are solid. Next physical property is allotropic form. Allotropic form. Except bismuth, all other elements of group 15 shows allotropes. Phosphorus having 3 allotropes. One is white phosphorus, another is black phosphorus, next is red phosphorus. Next element is arsenic. It have 2 allotropic form. One is yellow arsenic, another is grey arsenic. Similarly, stibbium, that is your antimony, having also 2 allotropes. One is yellow antimony, another is silvery grey antimony. These are the list of allotropes of different element belongs to group 15. Next I will explain about the trends in chemical properties of group 15 element. At first I will explain about the valency and oxidation state. The group 15 elements are trivalency and pentavalency. The group 15 element shows +3, -3 and +5 oxidation state. Bismuth always shows +3 oxidation state. Nitrogen shows different type of oxidation state in different compound. Suppose I want to make a list of oxidation state of nitrogen in different compound. This is your oxidation state, this is your compounds. N2O5. In N2O5, the oxidation state of nitrogen is +5. Next compound is N2O4. The oxidation state of nitrogen is +4. Next compound is N2O3. The oxidation state of nitrogen is +3. Next compound is NO. The oxidation state of nitrogen in NO is +2. oxidation state of nitrogen is -2. Next compound is your NH3. The oxidation state of nitrogen is -3. Look at that. Nitrogen shows a number of oxidation states in different compounds. Next I will explain about the reaction with the hydrogen. All the elements react with the hydrogen form MH3 type hydride. Here M means group 15 elements. All the MH3 type hydride are covalent and having pyramidal shape. Remember an important point: the basic strength of NH3 is greater than pH3, greater than AsH3, greater than SbH3, greater than or equal to BiH3. On the other hand, the order of reducing character of MH3 type hydride are NH3 smaller than pH3, smaller than SH3, smaller than SbH3, smaller than BiH3. BiH3 is a strong reducing agent. Next chemical property is reaction with the halogen. All the elements can form MX3 type halide. Here X means group 15 elements. For example, P plus Cl2 gives the PCl3. Nitrogen plus chlorine gives the NCl3. But remember, nitrogen cannot form MX5 type halide. This is due to absence of vacant d orbital in the valency shell. On the other hand, phosphorus and strontium can form MX5 type halide. For example, P plus Cl2 gives PCl5, Sb plus Cl2 gives SbCl5. On the other hand, bismuth does not form MX5 type halide due to inert pair effect. But arsenic can form AsF6 compound only. Next chemical property is formation of oxides. All the element of group 15 can form two type of oxide. One is your M2O3, another oxide is your M2O5. But remember, nitrogen can form 5 type of oxides such as N2, NO, NO2, N2O5, N2O3. N2O3, P2O3, H2O3 are acidic in nature, while Sb2O3 is amphoteric in nature. On the other hand, Bi2O3 is basic in nature. Remember, N2O3 is more acidic than P2O3, which is more acidic than H2O3. Next chemical properties: reaction with the sulfur. Except nitrogen, all other elements react with the sulfur to to form the corresponding sulfide. The stability of the sulfide goes on increases from top to bottom due to increase of the electropositive character of group 15 element. Next, chemical properties. Formation of oxo acid. The element of group 15 form large number of oxo acid. For example, oxo acid of phosphorus has 3PO2, that is called hypophosphorus acid. Next is H3PO3, that is called phosphorus acid. Next is H3PO4, that is called phosphoric acid. It is also called orthophosphoric acid. Next is HPO3, that is called metaphosphoric acid. Next is H4P2O7, that is called pyrophosphoric acid. Next is H4P2O6, that is called hypophosphoric acid. These are the list of oxo acid of phosphorus. Next is oxo acid of nitrogen. Nitrogen can form two type of oxo acid. One is your nitrous acid having formula HNO2. Another is your nitric acid having formula HNO3. Next is oxo acid of arsenic. Arsenic also can form two type of oxo acid. One is your arsenious acid having formula H3SO3. Another is your arsenic acid having formula H3SO4. Next is oxo acid of stibbium. It have two type of oxo acid. One is your antimonous acid having formula H3SbO3. Another is your antimonic acid having formula H3SbO4. The antimonic acid is unstable. Bismuth can also form an oxo acid, that is HbI O3, that is called metabismuthic acid. These are the list of oxo acids of group 15 element. That is all about the chemical property of group 15. Next I will explain about the anomalous behavior of nitrogen. Nitrogen shows anomalous behavior due to point 1 small size. Due to small size of nitrogen can form p pi multiple bond with itself and also with other element which having small size and high electronegativity. Second cause is nitrogen is highly electronegativity. Third cause, nitrogen do not have vacant d orbital. Due to absence of vacant d orbital in the valency shell of nitrogen, nitrogen restrict number 1 its covalency beyond 4. It also restricts ability to form d pi p pi or d pi bond. Nitrogen shows anomalous behavior due to small size, high electronegativity due to absence of vacant d orbital. Next I will explain about the difference between nitrogen and other elements of group 15. Nitrogen is a gas. On the other hand, other elements are solid. Nitrogen have a unique tendency to form multiple bonds, but other elements have no unique tendency to form multiple bonds. Nitrogen exists in diatomic state. On the other hand, other elements like phosphorus, arsenic, strontium exist as tetratomic state. Nitrogen is highly electronegative and it is a nonmetal. On the other hand, phosphorus is a nonmetal. Strontium and arsenic are metalloid, while bismuth is a metal. In case of nitrogen, the catenation property limit up to 8. On the other hand, other element shows the catenation property up to 4. Catenation property means self-linking property. Nitrogen exhibit in different oxidation state. On the other hand, other element exhibit in few oxidation state. Except NF3, all halides of nitrogen are explosive in nature. On the other hand, the halides of other element of group 15 are stable. Nitrogen do not form sulfide. On the other hand, other element of group 15 can able to form sulfide. These are the difference between nitrogen and other elements.